(2018) Porsche 911 GT3 Touring Package. Here's something intuition won't tell you: the visceral Porsche 911 GT3 with the Touring Package, which mandates a manual transmission and replaces the standard GT3's freestanding rear wing with a version of the less effective variable spoiler fitted to most of the 911 line, is actually slower than the big wing car. Despite a 221-pound difference in downforce at their respective top speeds, the GT3 Touring, with its retractable spoiler, is less slippery and is therefore slightly slower. The top speed difference doesn't matter, 199 versus 196 miles per hour, but the downforce might if you're on a track. Highs. Goes like a GT3, looks like a workaday 911, increased rear visibility. Low. Lost opportunity to be mistaken for a wanker, less downforce but more drag matters to track rats. However, if you drive your 911 on the street more frequently than around the circuit, it's likely that the benefits of not having the wing, not immediately being identified as a wanker by fellow motorists, and improved rearward visibility, are more valuable than the downforce anyway. But that is something only you can decide. Because compromise, as Porsche once famously said on a 911 promotional poster, is for politicians. Or at least it used to be. For our part, well, we're accepting the compromise and getting on the touring train right now. The GT3 for the rest of us. It's worth mentioning here that the 6-speed manual transmission and the spoiler are the only meaningful differences between a touring-equipped and a standard GT3, the latter is available with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic or the same 6-speed manual. Overall gearing differences are minuscule. A mechanical limited slip differential, Porsche torque vectoring, and 20-inch wheels are still included. Black leather replaces microsuede in much of the interior, while cloth seat centers solidly locate the driver and passenger. There is no backseating this 911. Call it a 911 or at a fat discount. Although the GT3 is available new, the ship has sailed on the 2016 911R, the limited edition model originally priced at $185,950 that quickly shot to up to 5 times that amount on the aftermarket. But we digress. The soul of the GT3 remains its naturally aspirated 500 horsepower 4.0-liter flat-6. Touring package cars can be ordered with carbon ceramic brake rotors, the front axle lift system, and most of the 911's outsize list of options. Among the few options you can't get with the Touring is the Club Sport package, which includes a roll cage but isn't offered in the United States anyway. When it comes to road driving, the Touring isn't discernibly different from the standard GT3, a car we drove last spring. It remains a redline punishing mainline injection of adrenaline for which there is no substitute, another phrase Porsche has been known to toss around.